Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning enter Google app, tap more, go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and enable this function. Now go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There'll be freezing rain with a high of 35 and a low of 28.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.